Hey guys, this is Gloria. I am back to share with you guys a little mini review of this We Are Memory Keepers Scallop Goodie Bag Guide. I picked mine up from Hobby Lobby when it was on clearance for $2.50. And it has this really cute scallop edge. And I know that they're selling this now at Tuesday morning for $4.99, which is still a good deal because it's regular $9.99. But I did want to share with you guys my thoughts on this particular tool. I love We Are Memory Keepers products. I think that they make awesome products and they stand behind their products. So if you have a problem with anything that you purchase from We Are Memory Keepers, just contact them, and they're really good with getting back to you and resolving your issues. With that being said, I also use this paper, which is food and grease resistant, food safe and grease resistant glassine paper, and it's printed. These are the printed sheets here. And I also picked this up from Hobby Lobby when they were having their clearance sale. It was $2.50 as well. And so this is the paper that you're supposed to use with this scallop goodie bag guide. I also wanted to try just some wrapping paper. And this is some wrapping paper that I picked up from either Ross or Home Goods. I'm not exactly sure. It's a thicker wrapping paper, thicker than normal to me. That's what it feels like. It has these really pretty unicorns on it with donuts and hearts. It's really, really pretty. And it has a bit of a texture to it as well. And it's a very durable paper. So I wanted to try it with this paper as well to see if, you know, if it worked the way it's supposed to work. So what you would do if you were making one of these bags is you would just, it's very, very simple. I'll just get it out of the pack real quick. And it does come with directions, and it also has some printed directions on the back. But all you would do is just take your guide, and there are lines here marked 12, and you would just line those up with the edge of your 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And then you would just simply just tear. And so I will, you know, demonstrate this one to you. So you just put it on there, hold it kind of firmly, and you're just going to tear it right against the edge of the ruler. And the directions do tell you to not tear from one edge to the next like I just did, but honestly it made a much better tear than when I did it the opposite way, by tearing one side and then tearing the other side. Once you get that side done, all you would do is you would flip your goodie bag over, and you would pretty much do the same thing. You would line it up with the 12-inch marks wherever you need to line it up, and then you would just hold it and tear. And this is going to be the bottom of the bag. So you would just tear it just like that. And as you can see, it made a pretty clean tear. There are some ragged edges here and there, but not too bad. That's the bottom. And then this is the top here. So not too bad. I was holding the ruler very, very firm, and I was tearing it towards the ruler. The next thing that you would do is you would take your ruler and you would put it inside of your lines where you want your folds to be, and you would just use your ruler, kind of like a bone folder, I guess, to just crease your edges so that you're able to fold it. It's not completely necessary because all you would have to do is just honestly take it and fold it just like this, and just use your fingers, but it's up to you. You can use the tool or your fingers. And so once you have your bag folded, all you would do is just add tape to the edge. And let's see, where's my tape? I don't know where my tape runner is, so I'll just use this one. This is some tearaway tape from Joann. And so all you would do is just put, oh wow, this tape is not doing right. Something is wrong with my little tape here. But you would just use some double-sided tape, and you would put your tape on one of your flaps. I'll put it on this flap at the end. And I'm sorry, you're going to also fold up the bottom part of your bag as well. So just fold that up. You can use your ruler, or you can just use your fingers just like that. And so you're going to release that tape there. And just going to line it up and put that in place. And then you're going to do pretty much the same thing with the bottom. Just going to line the bottom with some tape. You don't have to have much, but you do want to make sure that it gets closed up on the bottom. So I'll put a little bit more tape here. And release that tape. It's really simple, really easy to use. And this is different from that other bag guide where you can make like different size bags. You can make this one different sizes as well. Some will be just like a little shorter than others, but they'll be pretty much the same width. And so then you just fold up the bottom part of your bag, tape it, and then that's it. And you can leave the top part open if you want. You can fold that part down if you want and put a clip on it, or tape this down, and then you have your little envelope that you can give a gift inside of. So let me show you guys the ones that I created. This is one that I created here, and all I did was I made the bag just like I just did. I put one of those little shakers on the front that I created before. I put some of my crepe paper that I ran through my sewing machine, and this is a little bow that I created from a ribbon from Hobby Lobby. This here is a bag handle that I picked up from Alina Crafts, and I just put a little pearl on the little bag handle because there is a little hole right here that you can maybe put a brad through. And then this is how it looks on the back, and honestly it holds a lot. I plan to give this as a Mother's Day gift, and I put a removable glue dot on the back of the bag. And so on the inside of this bag, I just want to show you guys real quick everything that I fit inside of here. So I put 2 of these bath bombs down inside of there, and some of this Dove beauty cream, as well as this foot mask that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So very inexpensive gifts, but I think that it looks really pretty inside of this bag. And so I'm just going to put it all back down inside of there, and it honestly can hold more, but that's what I used it for. And so then that removable glue dot just kind of holds the bag closed so the recipient can open it up when I give it to them. So that is one that I created. This is the other one that I created, and I thought this one came out really cute. As you can see, the size is a little bit smaller than the other one, and that's because I moved my ruler down when I was tearing the top of the bag. I just moved it down some so that it would be a shorter bag. And so this is using the glassine paper from We Are Memory Keepers. And all I did for this one is, again, I just used some of my crepe paper. I used some of this really pretty trim from Hobby Lobby. I love using this. This is some twine out of my stash, and I just made like a triple, quadruple bow with it and put this little pearl here. And then this is another bag handle from Alina Crafts, And I just put a pearl from my stash right there. And so this is what this one looks like on the back. Really, really cute. And then this one, I also have a little gift inside of this one. And it's just the Lip Smacker lip gloss, a journal, as well as a pen. So you can fit a lot inside of these little bags, and they're great for giving little gifts. And, you know, I was super inspired by Lady Cree here on YouTube. I won one of her giveaways, and it was all about pretty much pretty packaging and how to package inexpensive things and make them look super pretty and more expensive than what they are. And it just makes a very pretty presentation. So if you guys are interested in looking for this goodie bag guide, I would say go ahead and pick it up, because it's really super simple to make a little bag or envelope or something to put a gift inside of. It's really inexpensive, and you know, it doesn't take much to create something really, really pretty. So that is about it, guys. That is all that I wanted to share with you guys today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And as always, if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Take care, guys. Bye.